So we have to write this as a quadratic equation in terms of tan theta. Okay, so first I'll write tan cot theta as 1 over tan theta minus cot theta plus 45 as 1 over tan theta plus 45. Okay, now tan theta plus 45 would be, this would be 1 over tan theta minus 1 over, this would be tan theta plus tan 45, and in the denominator it will be 1 minus tan theta tan 45, which will later go in the numerator. So I'll directly just send it to the numerator. So it will be 1 minus tan theta tan 45 equals to 3. All right, now tan 45 is just 1. So we get 1 over tan theta minus 1 minus tan theta upon tan theta plus 1 equals to 3. Now we'll take LCM and change it into a single fraction. So tan theta times tan theta plus 1. So tan theta plus 1, this minus sign will flip these signs inside the bracket. So minus 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 3. So we get tan theta plus tan square theta equals 3 tan square theta plus 3 tan theta. I've spotted a big blunder. I'm going to fix that now. When we cross multiply tan theta with this bracket, we get tan theta minus tan square theta. So this is actually tan theta. We write it here. So there's a tan theta here. So we get 2 tan theta in the numerator plus tan square theta plus 1. In fact, no, that's a minus tan theta. So there's a minus sign with it. So this and this cancels out, and there's no tan theta term. Just tan square theta plus 1. And we cross multiply. Denominator goes to the other side. And we get 3 tan square theta plus 3 tan theta. Okay. So we get 0 equals 2 tan square theta plus 3 tan theta minus 1. Okay, so we've shown a quadratic equation and now we solve it. So we could middle term break. I don't think middle term breaking is going to work. In fact, we will use quadratic formula. So tan theta equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. So we get two values of tan theta. We get 0.2807 and we'll get negative 1.7807. Okay. So positive tan theta is going to give an angle in the first and the third quadrant, but the third quadrant is out of the domains, which is 0 to 180. So we only write this angle. And for the negative one, we're only going to get an angle in the second quadrant since the fourth quadrant is out of the domain. Now you find tan inverse of 0.2807. It gives 15.7. And similarly, find tan inverse of 1.7807, and that gives 60.68. So one of the value of theta is just 15.7 and the other value would be 180 minus 60.68, which would be 180 minus 60.68 is 119.3 after rounding. These two are the final answers.